Well, it's way too early on race day. 7 a.m. to be exact. Getting the rest of my personal belongings loaded up. Gonna go meet Ed. And then we're gonna take off for the other side of those mountains.
The last guy didn't have to pay, he just sends it. Hopefully everyone fucking sends it over the finish line like it's bad as hell.
We drew number 5. How was it?
Soft and dusty.
Yeah. Well, that's good. That means it's venting properly, maybe. Car's hanging in there. So far, so good. Well, we're stranded on the other side of the track. We don't know. But we got a really close-up view of all the people jumping this jump, which was super sick, but unfortunately, we're not going to be able to finish this race. DNF for Team Risky Business. Later, man. Later, man.
Which one you want?
Which one do you want?
Are they all the same?
No, it's all the different ones.
That's the first lap to 8 and then the next page.
Right
Got
there.
it.
Fastest lap of the day.
Where at?
The 221.
That's such a good idea.
Fingers were on it.
I'm glad we had this.
221.
That's the only way.
Team Risky Business. Fastest lap of the day.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So, we didn't finish at all. We gave her the freaking beans. All of them. We gave her a can and a half of beans. Risky Business. Black beans. We got fastest time of the day. We beat Donald Cerrone. He's not super pumped about it. But they won. So Donald Cerrone in this monster of a monster. I don't know what the 55-gallon drums are for, but Donald won in this hovercraft of a vehicle. They killed it. They absolutely killed it in this thing. Dude, we've been going 3 weeks solid.
One every night until like 3 a.m.
And we got taken out by a bad distributor.
Oh man, all things.
Told you we need
Yeah.
a motor.
It's racing now.
It is. Oh, it's tiny.
Any breathing issues? No, just cactuses.
Who needs it? Oh my God, there's a cactus.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Are these just for weight?
No, yeah, it's just for looks.
Just for looks, dude. It looks like a
Decorative barrels.
Just make it look rougher.
Decorative barrels. So yeah, that's the BMF 50. Half the cars didn't finish. Who knows what the other ones were?
got stuck in the Z.
Ernie got stuck in
was
the
here
Z
late.
getting in to the event.
Shit.
There's always next.
Man, no, there's always October.
There's always October.
October is the next one, so we'll see. This was awesome.
Good
They have
times.
their,
Such good.
Cowboy. Dude, thanks for having us out, man.
Heck yeah.
It was a pleasure. It was literally my first off-road race. This is all on-road stuff, and I off-road on accident sometimes. You don't want to, but this was next level. I can't wait to do the next one. Thank you so much.
October,
Oh,
baby.
God, that's so soon, but we can taste it.
Taste
We can taste it, man. Thank you so much for having us out.
Heck yeah.
And congrats on the win.
Thank you.
Win
Thank
your
you.
own race.
Win your own race. Hey, but it's kind of not fair. I know the track. You guys are coming to beat me, so right?
Hey, we tried. We didn't quite make it, but we tried really
I
hard.
think adding the first hit was the best thing we could have
Dude,
done.
did you?
Oh yeah! Doesn't take much, huh? Woo! Yeah.
Did you see that guy
I
that
saw
was
it.
2 in front of us?
The funny
Cherokee.
color. Oh yeah.
We're gonna have that GoPro. That dude sent it like 8 feet in the air.
Sick.
That was insane.
No.
But yeah, man, we'll definitely be out for the next one, dude. Thank you so much.
Coming out, right?
Yeah, dude, anytime. Center. We fully center.
How's the splimp in the back?
It's already down to roach.
What a crazy day. By the 7th lap, we were in first place. We moved from 5th to 1st. And then we were in first place until we had our first fuel issue. Then we dropped down into last place / DNF because something happened and then the car wouldn't start. But man, we were on track to take home the gold.
You had no spark.
And then we had no spark. So distributor, spark plug wires, something in the ignition system was not providing spark for the fuel that we were getting. And we ended our day a little early, but still super fun. We set fastest time of the day and we had a blast in these Corona filled times. So I'm super thankful that Cowboy had us out to do that. Really super thankful for the guys for putting in long hours. Brett and Ed, especially on Xterra, getting that thing done. I felt super safe inside that thing, so could not have done it without them. Super big thanks to Ernie for putting all the sticker packages together and these sweet shirts. Yeah, I'm happy. Today was a good day. My teeth are filled with dirt. I just drank some of my water. It's filled with dirt. My trailer's filled with dirt. My drift car is filled with dirt. I am filled with dirt. Scotty's filled with dirt.
I'm always filled with dirt.
He's always filled with dirt though, so it's fine. But yeah, super good day. Awesome time. Apparently he wants to do another one in October, so well, we'll see how that goes. All right, and that's it for the BMF 50. 3 weeks of prep, 2 hours to break the truck and not finish. That's the story of my life though, so I'm used to it. Sucks for these other guys because it's probably their first time. Rookies. All right. Catch you next time for another stupid adventure.